Hey guys, so today I will show you how to make these gummy bears for hair growth. And if you all missed my previous video, I actually talked about how gelatin and eating gelatin can actually help thicken your hair and can actually cause your hair to grow faster. And the main ingredient of this gummy bears is of course gelatin. So basically this is one of the ways to where you can incorporate gelatin into your diet. So I will be using the unflavored gelatin here, and then I will use this cute silicone bear molders right here, and it looks like this. And then to naturally flavor it, I will use a mango fruit, which I will puree later, and then orange, and then kefir. And kefir, by the way, is not only good for hair growth but also good for the skin and your gut health. And then this calamansi juice extract. And then in here I also got the not so healthy option, but I will be using some of these flavorings as well. So now I'm going to go ahead and squeeze out the juice from these oranges that I cut right here. I actually lost my juicer squeezer here, so I had to do it manually like this. And that's how much juice I got from it. And now with the mangoes, I'm just gonna go ahead and put that in the blender. And then puree it, and then afterwards it is going to look like this. And for the calamansi and kefir, I'm just going to go ahead and pour it in the bowl. Now I'm going to add in gelatin on each bowl and mix it, and then let that sit for 3 minutes. And then in a pan, I will go ahead and pour in the mixtures and then heat it up just so that the gelatin melts and blends in with the juice. Also, you can add in some sugar to it as well if you want to sweeten it and not make it taste like cardboard or silica gel. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and do it in all of them. And then in here, I'm gonna put them in the molder. Now the store that I bought it from forgot to send me the dropper that comes with it, so I will be using a teaspoon instead. I know it's messy, but it's okay. It still did the job. It still worked. Now that's done, I'm just gonna go ahead and put that on the fridge. Let it sit there for about 20 minutes. And then after, this is what it's going to look like. Excuse my disgusting nails here, but look at these cuties. Now these are purely for aesthetic's sake, but you can make bigger ones too if you want to consume more than the little mini ones like these. But however, this was so much fun to make, and kids will surely like this too. And this is actually one of those healthy treat candies that you can give children. But as I've said, they are so much fun to eat and it's healthy for you too. Now if you're not into this and you wanted to eat it in cubes, well, I made bigger ones too. These are actually melon jelly flavored. And I know it's not in a bear shape, but they are still very fun to eat. I usually add this to my milk as a sinker to my drink. And I know that this may not be the healthiest, but this is one great way to add gelatin in your diet. And my dad actually did a taste test here with the little bear gummies.
Orange?
Yep.
Mango.
Nice.
But I like the orange.
Ah, yeah, same. Freshly pressed orange juice.
Right.
Yeah, so basically my dad is just feasting on these. But yeah, it's also good for them, you know.
It makes me feel younger.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My dad is experiencing his second childhood right there. So that is it, you guys. I hope you all liked this video, and once again, if you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you found this content valuable, please do share it to a friend, and I will see you on the next one. Bye!